Nothing gives peace of mind, security, and status like owning your own property investment or your home in Maryland, Ikeja. Now, let's take a road trip to see why this investment is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Stay tuned, let's take a ride together. Welcome to today's road trip. We are starting off at Bega, one of Lagos' busiest entry points. If you're coming in from Ogun State or Ibadan, Bega is the first major stop you eat in Lagos. It's a transportation hub, a commercial spot, and also a residential area with estates springing up around Ojodu, Isheri, and Magodo. Many working class families live here because it gives them easy access into the Lagos mainland. As we drive down towards Maryland Ikeja, notice how well connected this route is. You're just few minutes away from major spots like Ikeja GRA, the Murtala Muhammed International Airport, Allen Avenue, and Ojota, which links you to the entire city. Maryland itself is a prime location. It's literally in the center of Lagos mainland, close to Victoria Island, Ikoyi, and Lekki via the third Mainland Bridge. Why should investors consider a home here? First, proximity. Maryland is strategically located 10 minutes to Ikeja City Mall, 15 to 20 minutes to the airport, and about 25 minutes to the island. Secondly, lifestyle and accessibility with schools, hospitals, shopping malls, and business districts nearby. You are not just buying a home, you're buying convenience. Who is this area meant for? Maryland and its surrounding neighborhoods are perfect for young professionals working in Ikeja or the island, families looking for a secure and central environment, and investors who want rental properties that will never lack demand. With corporate offices, embassies, and commercial hubs nearby, the rental market here is really hot. So whether you are driving in from Bega or settling in the heart of Maryland, one thing is clear. This axis is a blend of convenience, prestige, and profitability for anyone looking at real estate. Ikeja, Maryland remains one of Lagos' smartest choices. Enjoy the rest of the ride with me. I'll see you at the estate. Welcome to our duplexes and apartments we have in Maryland, Ikeja. Now, location is everything when it comes to real estate investment. Now, I'm not the one who will be speaking. We have the ED himself, who is best fit to tell you everything you stand to gain here. So, sir, welcome once again.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so please tell me, what are we having here?
All right, so what we have here is a 7-story block of apartments.
Wow.
Made of 2-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom apartments with BQ and penthouses.
All available here?
All available for grabs.
Okay.
Now.
Okay, so what is initial deposit and also the prices?
Initial deposit is 50%,
okay,
and The two bedroom apartment goes for 160 million. Just give me a moment.
Okay.
That's because we have payment plan that can be spread up to 12 months
Okay.
if you want.
Okay.
So if you want to pay outright, that is between 0 to 3 months for the two bedroom apartment.
Okay.
It goes for 160 million.
Okay.
For 4 to 6 months, it goes for 170 million.
Okay.
For 7 to 8 months, so to 12 months, it goes for 200 million. And there is for two bedroom apartment plus BQ,
Okay.
180 million outright. 6 months payment plan is 190 million, and 12-month payment plan is 220 million. Two bedroom plus BQ penthouse, 190 million for outright. 6 months, 200 million, and 12 months, 220 million. Three bedroom apartment plus BQ, 205 million outright. For 6 months is 215 million, and for 12 months, 230 million. And three bedroom penthouse BQ is 275 million. 6 months, 285 million, and 12 months, 305 million. Initial deposit is yours. Like I said, the thing about this is a highbrow area. This is a highbrow area. Look around you, you see all sorts of the biggest names, the big names that you can find. The Marriott, airport is just very close. By the time we started this interview, if I was going to the airport, I probably would have gotten to the gate now. You get, so it's very close. It's very close and convenient. Have lots of amenities here. There's going to be gym house, gate house, swimming pool, service place. You don't have to do anything by yourself. There's going to be an administrative team. You call them whatever you need at any point, night and day. Steady power supply.
Okay.
Security is non-negotiable.
Beautiful.
So beautiful things that are here because of the kind of caliber of people that we're expecting to key into this project. So it's something that you need to rush and key into immediately. And of course, as time goes on, the price is increasing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're not waiting. 2-3 months from now, December, January, we're announcing a price increase.
So if we have, because clients are more concerned about if they pay now, because they have a lot of buildings around in Lagos where if they pay, they'll keep their delivery timeline is always shifting. It's always shifting. So when can they get to live here?
If you're subscribing to this apartment, between now and 12 months from now, to be
12
honest,
months
and that's
from
to give
now.
us, yes, that's to
Okay.
give us a good fit, a good place.
Okay.
Right, between now and 12 months, this place is fully livable.
Okay, so what's the title of the property? The approval, is it done? What necessary steps have you taken to ensure that there is none like that, nothing like that?
You see this, this is Ikeja.
Yes.
This is not maybe Kurudu or Ekpe or somewhere. Like, we are neighbors with Lagos State government regulation agencies.
Okay.
So in fact, the chairman of LAPSCA, like his house is close to this place, so he passes this street every time. So their eyes are here.
Interesting.
So there's no compromise.
Okay.
No compromise in that. This is the title is governor's consent,
Okay.
and all necessary approval
Has
are
been
up to
done.
date. Exactly. No negotiation. If not, we would not even be standing here. They would have locked this place up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. I haven't heard everything that the ED has to say. I'm sure you are fully convinced about this property. And because this is Maryland, resale value is climbing every day. Rentals here are really strong. Trust me, you never have to convince anyone why they should own this home. This house speaks for itself. Call Mercy today. You are stumbling on my channel for the first time. My name is Mercy, a real estate consultant here in the city of Lagos. What I know how to do best is to bring you premium real estate investment like this one, strategic location in the city of Lagos. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, send to your friend, send to your friend, let them send to their own friend. Look, call me today.